Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets in garages. In accordance with 210.70, A21 and A22 is an apple. Now, notice the garage to the left is attached, and we need at least one wall switched outlet there in accordance with 210.70, A2 item number 2. The same even if the garage is detached, not an accessory building now for storage and things like that. We're talking about where it's actually a one-bay garage or two-bay garage. We need lighting that provides the appropriate lighting, and one switch in light begins the process of providing the appropriate lighting in accordance with what figure 11-11 is illustrating, and following the lighting outlets in garages in accordance with the rules and requirements in 210.70 A21 and A22 as an apple.